All right, guys, it's the night of the Paul Walker Cruise. We got Nick here, Brandon's brother. We got my brother over there in the back. We got our cars ready. We got the GT. I mean, dude, was it 04 or 4, right?
02.
02? 02. Okay.
All-wheel drive, turbo, 6-speed, side pipes, K&N. That's it.
Where's the quick?
So right now we're just waiting for Aaron to show up, the Subaru that's the other Subaru that we have. So right now we're just doing some quick detail on our cars, getting them all wiped down, making them look. So we got another person here. We got James, and he did a little upgrade with his wheels. Honestly, I think that looks pretty dope, but people don't think so. That one looks dope, but then I don't know. I don't know what the type of look he's trying to go for right here. Yo, what type of look are you trying to go for here? Spider paint?
That's that patina.
Patina?
That's that patina look.
Patina? Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude.
What kind of look am I going for here?
We don't know what
Yeah.
it's on any.
So, right here, I bought these like this, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand them all the way down, and then I think I might go with the over here.
Yeah, we're still here though.
That?
And then we're gonna put it on coilovers, lower it.
Like even like bronze with the black, or
Not
what?
with the black, probably just bronze, and then we're gonna lower it to where it's like flush. I was thinking, because I like the way that this pops out, I might do
pull the fenders,
Yeah.
or no?
Yeah, we're gonna pull it because we're gonna have to when we roll the fenders
All right.
out.
Yeah. And then yeah, dude. So if
We're
you
gonna get new lights. This was just temporary,
okay.
just to make it look better. People keep stealing this shit. I guess it must be like a thing. They're like, yo, dude, I saw an Acura and I took their fucking symbol, man.
Yes,
It was great.
but if you guys don't remember our like second video, the Multegra. And as you can see,
Don't even look at it.
I mean it's clean. There's no more mold in there, so I
Yeah,
mean
there's no mold in there, but it's nasty. It's nasty. And I didn't have time to clean it. We're washing her car. So this is Beauty, and that's the Beast.
of course you would be gay enough to pick the Beauty.
You would suck my dick. Yeah.
All right, guys. So what ended up happening is it started getting way too fucking dark to film anything out there. So right now what we're doing is we're taking the squad out, and we're gonna do the cruise, but it's gonna be our own cruise. So I mean, we'll film a little bit, probably film a little bit of people like, you know, us driving by each other and whatnot and doing some moon shit, but I mean, I'll try to keep the GoPro on as much as possible, but I mean, I wish this vlog was longer, but it's not. It's just because, you know, like it gets so dark so fast. I mean, by the time we got there, the sun was already like setting and already almost like turning fucking black. You can see like any of the color of the cars or anything like that. But yeah, I'll update you guys when we can, all right? Listen here, you fuck. All right, shut your goddamn mouth.
Stop.
All right. So we got back from a little bit of cruising around. So now we're just planning to get some food. Stop here in downtown. Get some thumbnails going on. Alright guys, so we just got back from dinner. We're on our way home, or we are home. But I'm gonna go ahead and edit this and get it up for you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna have a lot of cool stuff coming out soon, so make sure you keep in touch for that, and see you in the next one. Later.